We've been working on order of operations. Today we're going to extend our knowledge of order of operations by using exponents with our order of operations. Remember that we're going to use this order: parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Also remember that multiplication and division, as well as addition and subtraction, must occur from left to right in that order, depending on which comes first. So now we're going to practice. Okay, write down this problem in your journal and let's practice. 4 times 5 minus, go in parentheses, 40 divided by 10 plus 3 squared. And we're going to work on this problem. First, we're going to follow our rules. We need to do what's in parentheses first. 40 divided by 10 is 4. So I can take this away. That's finished. But I need to keep 4 times 5 and my subtraction sign, as well as my addition sign and 3 squared. Next, I need to look at what the exponent is. And I see that I have an exponent here, which is this 2. So remember, this does not say 3 times 2. This actually says 3 times 3. So this means 3 times 3, and that's the math that I'm going to do next, 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, and I can now take this away, but I still have to remember that the rest of this problem I'm going to have to keep, because I'm working on it step by step. So now I have 4 times 5 minus 4 plus 9. I go back to my order of operations. Here are my rules. I need to look at what's next. I see that I don't have parentheses down here or exponents, but I do have multiplication. So I'm going to do 4 times 5, which is 20. And I'm going to keep all of this pieces to my order of operations problem. I'm going to get rid of the 4 times the 5 because that is finished. Now I come down here and look at addition and subtraction. Now remember, it's whichever comes first from left to right. Although when I look up here, I see addition, then subtraction. That is not the order that I need to go into. The order I need to go with is how it appears in my actual problem here. So I have 20 minus 4, and I need to do that part first, which is going to give me 16 plus 9. So I'm finished with this part. So now I need to do 16 plus 9. And 16 plus 9 is 25. And so I made sure that I used the order of operations here. And I'll also make sure that once I got to my addition and subtraction, once those two things were left, that I paid attention to which one was first from left to right so that I can get 25. We're going to practice some more. Make sure that you're using your journal to do the next 2 problems. Here's your next problem. Try this one in your journal. 10 plus 20 plus 45 divided by 9 minus 2 squared. Go ahead and pause the video and work on this problem. Let's see how you did. Remember, I need to do what's in parentheses first. So 45 divided by 9 will give me 5. But I have to keep everything else the same. So I'm not changing any of these. I can take this away since I'm finished with that. And I'm going to keep my 2 squared. The next thing I'm going to do is the exponent. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to remember that that is 2 times 2. That's what this is. So that means that 2 times 2 is 4. And I take that away, but all of this, remember, stays the same because I still have this math portion left to do. Okay. Now I've done parentheses and exponents. I'm going to look down here. Now I need to look at my multiplication and division, which I do not have, but I do have addition and subtraction. Remember, whichever comes first from left to right. So this addition comes first. So I'm going to have this addition to do, which is 10 plus 20, which is 30, plus 5 minus 4. I'm going to do this addition, and that's going to be 35. It's 30 plus 5 is 35, minus 4, before I get to my final result, which is going to be 31. So how'd you do? Hopefully you did well. If not, it's okay to revise your thinking, go back and look through the steps to see what you should have done, where did you make an error, and make that correction in your math journal. Now, you're going to do one more problem, but this time you're going to do it on your own and bring your journal into class tomorrow so we can check it. Here's number 3. 4 squared times 36 divided by 9 minus 15. Remember to let me know that you watched the video. Remember to do your whisk and to complete these problems in your math journal. See you in class tomorrow.